everybody, happy Friday. Just wanted to catch you up my two open trades that I had for Euro Pound and Pound Swissy. I did end up closing those. They have not gone anywhere literally since yesterday. And I really didn't want to carry them over the weekend with all the craziness going on. But I did want to point out a couple of other opportunities that I did see today. And even though they don't look ideal, I'm planning to follow my system though and go ahead and open a couple of trades. This first one is Pound Kiwi. So this is Great Britain NISD. And as you can see, our super trend is pointing down. We've had these last two candles cross below the line. And I don't know why I didn't see this volume yesterday, but still have volume today. So this is still in a good position to sell. So I'm going to do that. So there's my sell. The next one is USD CAD. Canadian dollar, pull that one up. This one is very similar where we've been in an uptrend and right now our super trend has switched. Our Ash is in agreement and I have lots of volume. So even though, let's back this out just a little bit and look at it. Yeah, look at that. That's really just kind of hanging out there on its own. But my indicators say go. Ooh. So I will go. There we go. So there you have it. A couple of new open trades. Close those other ones just because they were not moving and I didn't want to hold them over the weekend. I hope you guys are having a really good week. I will tell you that I've been talking about doing this exit, deeper dive on my exit indicators video. And every time I sit down and I think I'm going to do it, I hesitate because that has got to be the one area where I have the most struggle with myself. And I really don't want to tell anybody to do something like in a deeper dive video that is really not correct. But I figure, well, as long as everybody knows that up front, and if all you want to know is what I do, that I can share. So I'm going to be doing that this weekend. So stay tuned. I'm going to get it up, the deeper dive video on my exit indicators. And again, disclaimer, this may not be perfect, but it's what I do. And if you want to get inside this mind, I guess you can watch the video. You all have a fantastic weekend and happy trading.